In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a stunning and professional poster design using simple tools and creative effects. Make sure to watch till the end. Your poster will look absolutely amazing. First, start by creating a new document with the size 21 by 29.7 centimeters, which is the perfect dimension for an A4 poster. Once the canvas is ready, drag your first image onto the document and place it properly. You can download this image from the link in the description. After that, drag the second image onto the canvas as well so we can use both visuals in our design. Now select the background layer, then pick the Type tool. Type your main headline text using the font mentioned in the description. Adjust the size, spacing, and styling exactly as needed. Once done, press Alt and drag the text to create a duplicate. Edit this duplicated text to match your design style. Repeat the same step again. Hold Alt, drag to make another copy, and edit this text with the new settings you want. Next, select the layer and press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Path Blur, and uncheck Centered Blur. Follow the recommended settings to apply a smooth motion effect to your text. Click OK to apply it. After that, open Layer Styles, choose Color Overlay, and set the color to black. Click OK. Now click on Add Layer Mask on this layer. Select the Brush tool, reduce the flow, set the foreground color to black, and gently brush over the areas you want to fade or remove. This will create a nice blended effect. Once done, right-click the same layer and convert it to a smart object. Next, create a new blank layer. Choose the Brush tool again. Pick a bright red color and paint softly in the areas where you want to add a vibrant highlight. This adds depth and drama to the poster. Now click on the top layer, then place your next image from the description link. Change its blending mode to screen so it blends beautifully with the background. Add a layer mask, and again, use the brush tool to remove the parts you don't need. This creates a clean and professional blend. Finally, select the Type tool and add your last text elements using the provided settings. Adjust everything until you are satisfied with the final design. And that's it. Your poster is created. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new Photoshop tutorial. Let me know in the comments what effect you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.